Clashes between two groups broke out in Nuh on Monday afternoon after a religious procession passing through the district came under attack, leaving 2 homeguards dead and dozens of people, including around 20 policemen, injured in the frenzy of violence that followed. The human toll of the violence that broke out in Nuh and spread to other parts of the state cannot be measured only in the terms of death and the injured. The clashes have left a certain group of people living in fear. Of the over 100 Muslim families from West Bengal that were staying in a Gurugram locality, only 15 remain. And even they say they are petrified and are not going back only because they don't have the money to do so. A migrant, 25-year-old Shamim Hussain, pleaded with the government, district administration and local residents to protect them and begged for help. Last evening, some people came and asked all Muslims to leave. We don't have money to go back and even have debts to pay to the local shopkeepers. It is okay if something happens to me, but I have a 1-year-old son, he said. Earlier in the day, the Gurugram district commissioner had given an assurance that migrant families will be protected. He said there will be overnight deployment in sensitive areas and around religious places of both the communities, mosques as well as temples. Nearly 60 people visited a landlord in the locality, which is right next to some posh high-rises in the city, on Tuesday evening and instructed him to ask all Muslim families to leave within 2 days. People in the locality knew that the threat was not an empty one because a housekeeper had been beaten up on Tuesday afternoon by a mob who had just asked him his name. Meanwhile, in Nuh, some Hindu migrants have decided to leave the city. As curfew is imposed in the district, the migrant families, including children, are preparing to leave the place on foot. According to police, several people, most of them from Muslim community living in slums in Wazirabad, Khata village, Sector 70A and Badshahpur, are returning to the native place. A senior police officer accepted that some migrant workers who used to work as drivers, gardeners, street hawkers, servants and maids are going back to their native places due to fear. However, he said that the situation is normal in Gurugram. Police and RAF are deployed in the entire district to deal with any type of situation. We appealed to people to avoid rumours and to not fear, the officer added. Haryana has formed a 3-member committee to scan recent social media posts in light of no clashes. Home Minister Anil Vij flagged the important role played by such platforms in fueling the recent communal clashes. Parts of the northern state will remain under an internet ban till August 5th. According to reports from the region on Wednesday evening, the situation continues to remain tense in Haryana's Nuh, Faridabad and Palwal districts as well as in 3 subdivisions of Gurugram.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.